Hi, so in this video we would practice some filtering and sorting of a dataset using Pandas libraries. And so first let's import the pandas. So import pandas as PD. Then we'll assign it to a variable called euro12. And let's see the dataset. So euro12 dot head. Yeah, so we have a dataset of 2012 euro. We have goal, source on target, source of target, and lots of other columns. So we have actually 35 columns, right? And 5 of rows. So now let's solve step by step each and every problems. First it says selects only the goal column. So let's do that. So to select only the goal column, what we'll do, we'll simply euro12 dot goals column, right? And it will give us the goal column. Then it says how many teams participated in euro 2. How to get that? We'll get that by euro12 dot shape. Now it says, now see the 16. So 16 numbers of teams are there. Then it says what is the number of columns in the data set. So for that we can euro12 dot shape of 1. So it will give us the number of columns. columns. Okay, now we have view only the columns team yellow cards and red cards and assign them to a data frame called discipline. So in a data frame called discipline, we have to assign team names and all those team names who have got yellow cards and red cards. So for that, let's add a variable at discipline. So discipline, there I need to assign team and yellow cards, yellow cards. Then we have red cards. Okay. Yeah, so we have teams and all those teams we have got the yellow cards and red cards. Now sort the teams by red cards, then yellow cards. Okay. So we need to sort it. So discipline, then we need to sort. So we will use sort values, and in function we'll pass the parameters, which is red cards. Red cards first, then yellow cards, and ascending order, because it says first we need to show the red, because first we'll show the most number of red cards, then we'll decrease the order. So yellow card 9, then red card 1, like this. Okay, now we have step 9, calculate the mean yellow cards given per team. We do that by discipline of, it says yellow cards, then we'll simply add this mean function. So 7.435, but mean would be in round value. So we need to write this into round function. Yeah, so 7. So 7 yellow cards per team. Then it says filter teams that score more than 6 goals. So euro12, then the condition is the goals gotta be more than 6. Yeah, so Germany and Spain, they have only scored more than 6 goals. Okay, so now we have to select the teams that start with G. So within Euro 12 dataset, what's the condition? Euro 12 dot team name starts with, need to find a string that start with G. Okay, what's the error? String methods object has no attribute start with. Is it starts with? Yeah, sorry, it was starts with. So we have Germany and Greece. Now, next we have select the first 7 columns. So to select the first 7 columns, we'll simply use the iloc function. So Euro 12 iloc first 7 columns. So yeah, first 7 columns gives these 7 columns. Then we have select all the columns except the last 3. Okay, so Euro 12 dot iloc all the rows, but we don't need the last 3. So what we can do, we can simply write like this -3. Yeah, so it will eliminate the last 3 columns. Then the last question is present only the shooting accuracy from England, Italy and Russia. Okay, so in Euro 12 dataset, the condition is we need to find the team that, I need to pass the parameters. So England, Italy, then we have Russia, then team, then we need the shooting accuracy. Okay, there could have been error. Euro 12 dot team dot is in England, Italy, Russia, team and shooting accuracy. Is an invalid key. So shooting accuracy is an invalid key. All right, so come on, I didn't even use the function because we have to locate this values, right? So we need to use this lock function. So it gives us England, Italy, Russia with the shooting accuracy. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's it.